Hello, and thank you for visiting our YouTube video. The body of work to be presented to you is by G+ Works. G+ Works design team consists of Grant Scott, lead designer and partner; Paul Bacala, team coordinator and civic architectural design specialist; Eric Wright, physical resources manager and commercial architecture specialist; Kevin Comfer, digital information manager and landscape specialist; and Jay Underwood, residential design coordinator. The three main components that will be discussed during this video are vertical urban boulevard, siting, and programmatic disposition. Let's begin with vertical urban boulevard. The urban lifestyle is a continually changing one, with human desires for spaces from home to civic uses remaining relatively static with adventure, overlook, peril, shelter, and comfort. These attributes can and should be distributed between programmatic uses differently, depending on the use. A home, for example, benefits from a view of the prairie much more than does, say, an office or retail area. A civic use, perhaps a gallery or theater, may benefit from some of the drama of a perilous filling space. One could continue to apply these desires to each of the spaces designed in this project, but that exercise is self-evident. The real exercise was to knit together the selected programmatic elements in a way which is meaningful and that speaks to the modern urban life, while enhancing the experience and living conditions of the inhabitants and users of the building. Siting. The building is designed to sit on the nexus of neighborhoods in Boston on air right parcel above the Massachusetts Turnpike. The main components of this building are greenways on the site and greenways that will be integrated within the programmatic elements of the building. Other programmatic elements are residential units, retail spaces, and civic spaces. These are intended as a continuation of the leafy boulevard through the local urban residential area. The green zone continues up the face of the building, drawing the observer's eye up the vertical boulevard, connecting the disparate programmatic elements. Entry to the building happens from the back bay of the Boston neighborhood. Programmatic disposition. The residential portion of the program is designed to have the widest range of views and most pleasant daylighting and views for this type of program. The units are also designed to take advantage of the urban boulevard as a mechanism for connecting the greater vertical neighborhood and reinforcing the urban nature of the site and disposition of the program more generally within the project. The civic portion of the building is designed to create a dialogue with the larger scaled areas of the Back Bay in Boston and stands as elegantly iconic portion of the tower which is seen from the more refined shopping and culture area of town. The business and retail area is somewhat formally connected to the residential units, allowing the residents the urban experience of leaving their front doors and moving through the more commercial area of the city before reaching their destination. This affords the residents ease of living, shopping, and connection to the city, all within close walking area to their homes. The connective tissue of the greenways of this design is the boulevard and the integration of multiple greenway levels vertically within the structure, outside the structure, and at the site. This connective tissue will wend its way up from street level through programmatic elements and up to the higher levels. This green space allows the residential units to have the amenity of green space, which is typically sorely lacking in urban life. It connects the civic, residential, and commercial uses into one cohesive form, while still allowing the individual morphologies to be read to distinct programmatic elements, meaning that the building speaks to the locality and the abutting neighborhoods on which the tower stands.